unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy. Now, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty bag. It is a monthly subscription. You get it each month. The Glam Bag is $13 a month. You get about 5 sample size, deluxe size, and some full-size products inside. This is the Glam Bag Plus. It is $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products inside, and then quarterly they have the Glam Bag X. And I will put that on the screen. I know that that is $55 a month, and you do get full-size products. Can't remember offhand how many. I will check for you and put it somewhere. So let's go ahead and see what I got for May 2022. Each month they put their products inside a cute little bag. Oh, I love it. All the nice flowers on there. These are my colors. I love purple. Very cute. And this, it feels like sheets. So it feels like a nice cotton sheet. These are handy for traveling, storing things neatly in your drawers, things like that. So this is what the inside of my bag looks like. Now, let's see if there's a card. So Wild Beauty is the theme for this month. Now, I really do wish they would list my products here, but they do have a QR code to scan so you can see about the products inside your bag, but we're just going to punt. I am obviously not in my home studio. I am in New Mexico. My granddaughter was born. Her name is Alexandra. She was born last week. I'm not going to post a picture of her because I don't have the parents' permission, but take my word for it, she's beautiful. Okay, so that's why my background looks a little different. The first thing I am pulling out is by Complex Culture. All the Angles, it's called. It's 2 brushes. Can never have enough brushes, can you? This is a vegan and cruelty-free product. Complex Culture presents an exclusive duo from its award-winning eco-friendly brush collection. Each brush has been carefully created to perform the work of multiple brushes to save both time and effort. Well, we'll have to see about that. But let's check these out. Ooh, look at how pretty. Fancy. So we have a triangular brush. It's nice and dense, very soft. Ooh, that feels good. This would be good for getting right in by your eye. It's good for highlighting, contour. It even brushes like this, like if you are doing all these different shades of eyeshadow, you can use a brush like this to go over it and blend it so that you don't have harsh lines. So that's what these are good for. These are nice brushes. Love the handles. And then this one looks like a highlighter brush maybe. This also could be used as a contour, but they are beautiful, aren't they? They say Complex Culture right there. Very nice. So yeah, those are nice. Next thing, I will put what they retail for somewhere on the screen as well. And now we have by Dr. Brandt, very good brand. It's the antioxidant spray toner with green tea and white, with green and white tea extract. That's what that looks like. I do like spray toners. I will put a spray toner on before I put the regular toner on. This is so easy. You just spray. And if you don't feel that it's sinking in that well, just pat your skin with your fingers and it'll start dissipating right away. But it saves cotton rounds, you know, for those that want to help save the planet. Spray toner is the way to go. Next, I am pulling out, now this was one of my choices. Now in the Glam Bag Plus, you are allowed to choose a couple of your products. Now I chose Glamnetic by Ipsy reusable press-on nails. Now I did not get these for myself, I did get them for my daughter. She likes using products like these on occasion. Let's see what it says. I cannot read that. That's too small for me to read. I don't have my magnifying glass with me, even though the glasses on my face are magnifying glasses. It's just not enough. We get into this so we can check them out. These are reusable. Let's see. Okay, you get a little nail file in the case. It's just a nice little French manicure. And you get bigger sizes, extra sizes in here. A little orange wood stick and some adhesive. But yeah, I wasn't too crazy about any of my choices, but you know, I just chose these for my daughter. Figured she could get some use out of these, so we got those. Next thing in my bag is Cella Good Drama Mascara Black. I did choose this product. You know, in all the months of unboxing, this is the first time I have a mascara, which is surprising because I watch other unboxers and they always get mascara, eyeliners, mascara, eyeliners. This is my first one, so it's very exciting. Let's check this one out. Here we go. Now I am not going to open it, but I will put a picture of what the wand looks like, because once you open the product, the time clock starts. You only have 3 months on mascaras, and I'm still using mine, so we're not going to open this one. And then the last thing in my bag is by Complex Culture. It is the Pout Clout lipstick. It is rich, plumping lip color. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatology tested. It is in the color Legend. That's what the box looks like. I like the packaging. It's very elegant looking. Ooh, it's like this big square thing. Complex Culture. Oh, that is dark. Is that too dark for me? Let's see. That's what it looks like. No, actually, I think this would work as a good muted red for me. So I think that would work really well. I'll try it out and see what I think. So, oh, it's magnetic closure. Very nice. So we have the lipstick, the mascara, the toner, some fancy schmancy brushes, and the Glamnetic nails. Now, if you are interested in trying Ipsy for yourself, I will leave my referral link for you down below. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.